Ever wish you could set up your next embroidery design without stopping production? Imagine you have an order due in the next hour, and a client walks in with a last-minute design request. Learn how you can maximize your time with the Happy Next feature. Just press Next, select your new design, and you can load one from your USB. To save your design, choose a file name while the machine is still stitching, and the machine will ask you if you want to add it to the waiting list. Now, you can preview the design, set your colors, needles, and placement all in one go without any interruptions. Press OK to save it. As soon as the project ends, a message will appear on the screen asking you to advance to the next design. The only thing you need to do now is switch hoops and click Start. Add as many designs as you want and save time between embroidery projects. Keep your creativity and production rolling. Make more money with Happy Japan embroidery machines.